What's up and good morning. Today is May 16th, Saturday. We are of our first day of E.C.Q, Modified Enhanced Community Quarantine. What does that mean? Nobody seems to know. What are we allowed to do? What aren't we allowed to do? What's open? What's not open? We don't know. I do know one thing. I kind of read online some of the stuff. One of the things you are allowed now to do is go out and exercise. You're allowed to go out and walk, jog. You're allowed to do those things in public. As far as I know, they said the gyms and things like that are still closed. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk up the road here, see what's open, what's not open. Just check things out. We survived Typhoon Ambo. A-M-B-O. Yeah, it's like Rambo, but Ambo. A little bit of rain last night, some winds, but nothing major. That was the first typhoon that came through the Philippines this year. But as you can see, I'm at the store. Here's Lut. Lut's here. You gonna walk with me, Lut?
No.
No? Okay.
Okay, no, I'm gonna walk.
Alright.
But before I do that, you gotta wait for me.
Yeah, I'll wait for you. Kitten update. Hang on, focus, 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 focus. Focus. Turn it off. Oop, oop. Yeah, focus. Come on, focus. There we go. Kitten update. I think they're hiding back in one of these box areas. I don't know. Yeah, there they are, back in here hiding. Hi, babies. Hey there, you can see the white one. Here they come. Babies. All right, that's what I'm gonna do. Gotta wait for Lut here. She says to wait, so I'll wait a little bit. And so we're gonna do. We're gonna head up the road here, see what's open and what's not open. All right, guys, let's go see what's open and what's closed. I got Lut. She is right back there. What is open already? Right off the bat, I see. You got the motorcycle dealers are open here. They are open. Sure, everybody's glad to be back open making money. But these guys are open through here. E.C.Q, G-E-C-Q, like I was saying. What's allowed open, what isn't allowed open, nobody knows, I guess. You would think the mayor's office would put a list out of what's open and what's closed. But everybody feels, all right, I'll be open, I guess. I don't know. Back to, you're allowed to double ride again on motorcycles from what I was told. You know, I look online and I see some of the things that are allowed to be open and things that aren't allowed to be open and what's allowed and what's not. This is the Wild Wild West. I always said it, the English City, the Wild Wild West. I thought I read we're only single riders still. What? Here in the Wild Wild West, it's dual riders. Hey, some of them are open, some are closed. I know I've walked this road for the past 2 months, going to where I had to be. So it might look all familiar to you. But even the traffic within the past couple days, I have noticed a lot more people out, a lot more people just out and about. Now, Lut was saying at the market this morning, they were asking people their age. See, if you're, what, 60 years old, 60 or older? She was saying if you're 60 or older, you're still not allowed out, which has always been the rule. But she said for some reason today at the market, they were asking people their ages. Even kids are still not allowed to be out and about. Oh, this morning I did see a couple of kids on bicycles riding down the road here. I'm lawyer. That's your money sending and stuff. I did see car washes were open. Hope my barber's open. If these salons up here on the left are open, then my barber should be open, because boy, do I need a haircut. I noticed some people without masks.
Hello, man.
Hello, hello. This guy, he don't care who he gets wet. He's power washing here. Hey, it's nice to see these open. Gas station's still closed. They've been closed. Get out of the road here. They have been closed. Laundry shop is open. Self-serve laundry shop. They were closed. They're open finally. They also have lifted the ban on alcohol sales. So you're allowed to buy and sell alcohol now. Though the bars are still closed. Look, you haven't talked to your dealer for alcohol, have you? You haven't talked to your dealer for alcohol, have you? Yeah, Lut hasn't talked to her dealer. Huh? Yeah, that wire's low. I can reach up and touch it for real. That's how low it is. I think it probably came down with the winds last night. Oh, there's the stop sign. There's a famous stop sign. It's always busy through here. I don't know about trikes if they're up and running yet. I don't know about jeepneys if they're up and running yet. Who's allowed, who's not allowed. Mayor's office put out a list of things that are open and what's not open. Let the people know. Hey, how are you? All right. What's up, man? What's up? What's up? Oh, they're open. Beauty and health supply. Beauty and health supplies. This little store is open. That's a trike line over there, and that's still closed. That's a haircut spa salon. That's closed still. That's a grocery store. That was closed. That's open there. Clothing. Hey, what's up? What's up? That was closed. That's open, right? Yeah. Yeah. All right. All right, here we are. Swiss Chalet. Grab food. Huh? Tequila Reef is closed. That's a dead cat. That ain't a rat.
Oh, that's a rat.
That's a cat. I'd show you, but it's pretty gross. It's smushed out on the road. Tequila Reef is still closed. Come on, open up. I want a breakfast. Got their workers working. Talked to a couple of hotels. They said they are technically still closed. They are technically still closed during E.C.Q. Oh, here's something I wanted to tell you guys. You remember the drive-through? COVID-19 testing drive-through up there at the ABC Hotel in their parking lot? They've been ordered shut down. Something to do with not having proper licensing and not approved by the DOH. You have DOH, look? Huh? One of those health things. They weren't approved. So they shut them down. Somebody sent me a letter of notification or whatever it was. It's saying they have been ordered shut down. Remember the 6,000 peso testing? when you can go to a lab, I think, and get it for 2.7, where I was reading online, 2.7. Other people say, oh, it's free. Either way. So I guess whoever paid 6,000 pesos, I just guess they got just too much money that they don't know what to do with it. Sucker. That's what I call them, suckers. I know, guys, it all looks the same again, but people want to know what's open through here. People ask me, can you go up here and do a walkthrough when it moves to a different queue number? See, there's a little kid right there with her, I guess with her mom. They're not supposed to be out. Kids are not supposed to be out, but once again, it's the Wild Wild West. It's like I seen where the mayor or the city went through and morning. Where the city went through and grabbed up Walking Street still closed, where they went through and they grabbed up some of the homeless and helping the homeless, I guess. Right, Lut?
Yeah.
But like Lut said, and she made a good point. Well, where were they other times? Where were they other times? These on the right-hand side are all still closed. Deja vu all over again, right? All of them are closed. All them salons and stuff and barber shops. I thought they were allowed to be open. I don't know either. So I say, anybody that's listening from the mayor's office here in Angeles City, why don't you guys put a list up of things that are allowed to be open? That salon there, that appears to be open. Or people are in there, whether it's open or not, I don't know. Yeah, put a list up of what's open. What are the list of the... Look, you want to have a rest? Oh. Put a list up of things that are open. What is modified E.C.Q? It's like they came up with a new saying or a new quarantine or whatever the heck you want to call it. It went from E.C.Q. I thought it was E.C.Q, then general community quarantine. Somewhere along the line, they slipped another little one in there in the middle. And it came up with rules. These are open for takeout. They've been open for takeout. See, now them clothing stores over there are open. Look, see that? Across the street there. Yeah, we'll walk over there. Seems like I noticed walking up here, clothing stores are allowed open. There's a young kid out. He ain't supposed to be out. Well, gotta make sure look don't get run over. Yeah, it seems like clothing stores are open. That's what I'm seeing. I don't know if the mall's open or not. A friend of mine told me the malls are open. Don't know. That's another place I'll check out. I'll just keep sharing with you guys as the days go by. Yeah, the clothing places are open. They're happy to be open, making some money. Uh-oh. Yeah. Morning. Yeah, likes all the clothes. Morning. Good morning. All right. What do you say? Huh?
Frontliner.
Frontliner. All right, frontliner. Somebody said, there's Margarita Station over there. Somebody was saying the restaurants aren't going to be open till another couple months. That's what they're saying. You don't know. You don't know. Nobody can see your face.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's funny, some people still hide their face. Their face is completely covered, yet they'll still hide their face. Huh. That's a cool shirt. Well, that concludes our walk. Here's the Friendship Jeepney Terminal, and there are no jeepneys in there. Well, there's one, but it's not full of the jeepneys. So, kind of looks like the jeepneys are not running. SM Mall over there. We'll have to head over there. Not now. That'll be another video. 50.05. 50.05. That's the rate. So, see Freelance Park, look. Walk through here. There's the Freelance Park, all closed up. All right, guys, I'm gonna end this one. Just gonna give you updates every day, what's going on. You guys see what's open? Not really too much is, from what I see, is really opened up. Maybe Monday it'll change, who knows? Who knows, maybe, I don't know. Anyways, guys, I'll have to head over to the mall and check out the mall. I'll film that and see what's open, so. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later.